Don't throw your old pots anymore. It will easily remove all dirt. I'm sure you'll thank me after today's video. To begin our tip, we will need a soap and we will grate thoroughly and will facilitate in the preparation. Once it's at this point, we'll take it to a pot. Then we will add also 3 spoons of sugar. It will be very useful in removing the stains. The next essential item will be a tablespoon of baking soda. The decreasing effect of baking soda is what makes this homemade soap effective. Now we will also add 3 tablespoons of detergent. You can use the one of your choice. The next ingredient we will use will be vinegar. Also, only 3 tablespoons are enough to make this tip effective. Now I will also add 1 liter of water, which will facilitate the dilution of the ingredients, and then bring to low heat and mix well until melted all the soap and reach the desired consistency. If you prefer, you can even use a dye for the soap with the color you prefer. Tell me if you've ever made soap in your house. I'd love to know if you have any tips. At this point, I will remove the pot from the fire. Now our tip is ready. We should just put the soap in plastic containers that will be shaped like soap. This amount we made has the duration of at least 2 months. Yields a lot. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us to. Send you a hug in the next video. And today's hug goes to Julie Fernandez from India. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After resting, our soap will look like this and is already ready for use. Very suitable for removing stains in the pots or even to clean the dishes. This soap can clean easily and without much effort. This homemade tip is very simple to make. In a short time, you have a soap that lasts weeks and possesses the best effectiveness that all you have ever used. I'm sure you will not regret it. Watch until the end. I'm sure that this tip today you will always want to do in your home. Yields much more than ordinary soap, and I'm sure you already have all the ingredients in your home. Tell me what you think of this tip today. I hope it has the desired result for the use of this soap. Thank you for watching so far. See you in the next video. Bye.